So Chris Warwick of Horsham in Victoria asks, what's the best thing that I can paint on the handles of my tools to protect them? You know, tool handles get a bit splintery after they've been used for a while, and if you leave them out in the weather, they can get a bit weathered and nasty. So this is what I recommend. The first thing you want, pale boiled linseed oil. Any boiled linseed oil will do. You don't want normal linseed oil because it'll stay sticky. And you need to thin it. The best thing is terps. If you get desperate, you can probably thin it down with a little bit of diesel, but what you want, 50-50 of these two. Chuck it in a tin, get an old paintbrush, and apply it liberally. Now, the good thing about the pale boiled linseed oil, it will dry very quickly, so you don't want a sticky tool handle. Yep, so that's a pretty simple solution. So if you've got any questions for me or for anyone else in the team or any of our industry experts, feel free to pop us an email at the email address on our website or josh@kondinin.com.au.